Hey you, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are cleaning the living room again, and this time we are focusing on the upholstery. You can see that it has developed quite the few stains with toddlers and other kids running around the house, spilling things on the couch and eating and then slamming their face into the couch playing games and things like that. So I'm going to clean that. I'm going to clean my windowsills. Lately, I've gotten into the habit of completely opening up my windows, including the window treatments, and this is what I see. So now I'm going to take care of that. And then I also want to clean my bar stools because it's the same thing as the couch. These things get dirty. And I'm going to be using the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser cleaner for the upholstery with the Bissell Boost Carpet Cleaning Formula. So I'm going through my couch and removing all of the pillows, and as I go, I'm assessing the pillows to see which ones have stains on them that need to be cleaned as well. I'm going to eventually do a deep cleaning of this living room. I'm going to have the carpets taken out to get professionally cleaned. I'm going to take all of the covers off of the cushions and throw them in the wash. But today I just want to do spot treatment because removing the cushions and putting them in the wash and waiting for them to dry and putting them back on, that is like a whole day's worth of work, in which today I do not have time. So I'm just going to take my time and spot treat everything that I see with this Bissell carpet cleaner. So this is the Bissell carpet cleaner. The power button is right at the top. And if you flip it over, you can see that the sprayer is just underneath that. It also has a tank, and that's where you put the formula to help you clean the spots. And then I also like that when you flip it over, it has a brush to help you scrub those tough stains. So I'm just starting with the first stain that I see, and I'm just going throughout all of the couch cushions and spraying all of the tough stains that I see. Of course, I'm not going to be able to get everything out because this couch does need a deep cleaning, in which I am going to have to take off all of the cushions and put them in the wash. I plan to do that soon. If you want me to film it, let me know. But so far, just off the top, I am pleased with the way that it is cleaning. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the entire couch. And I'm not trying to get the entire couch completely soaking wet. I feel like it would be better just to wash the entire thing than for me to do that. So I am just focusing on the spots that I am seeing that really need the cleaning. And I have to refill it often. So soaking down the entire couch in the solution would be a lot of solution. So now I'm hitting up some of the pillows that I did see that had the tough stains as well, letting everything dry while I move on to the bar stools. And overall, I am pleased to see how clean the Bissell is getting all of the upholstery. It's really satisfying to see the tank fill up with the dirty solution. It makes me feel like I'm not doing this for nothing. Moving on to my windowsills, which were quite dirty, shame. But lately I've been really enjoying opening up the window treatments fully during the day and letting all of the light shine through the house. But when you do that, you see what's hidden under those window treatments. And so I'm really taking the time to clean that now. And I'm also going to clean down the fabric of the couch on the back and the sides, and also behind the pillow cushions, just to polish it up and keep the integrity of the look. And if you noticed, I did move my couch around. It was facing the other wall, but I did want to just switch things up a bit, and I wanted to add a piece on the wall behind the couch because I had a mirror there that I moved to my office, and I felt like the space was blank without something being there. So I did switch it up, and I am thinking about getting a runner for this area, but I have so many carpets and rugs all over the house, and I would like just the wood to let it shine in a few of the areas of the house, and that's one of them. So I plan to leave that one open, but it has been such a struggle keeping these floors clean. Just wood floors in general are hard to keep clean, and I am going to be cleaning them again, but I will save that for another video. So motherly duties called, and I had to bathe the baby and feed him. But now I'm back to finish up the couch. I'm just going to go ahead and put the pillows back in place, even though the upholstery is not fully dried yet. But I won't be sitting on this couch anymore for the night. I'll most likely be in my bedroom watching YouTube in the sitting area in there. But I'm going to go ahead and straighten back up in here and finish up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.